Hey guys, do you love shooting video or taking pictures with your phone? You know, they always say the best camera that you can ever have is the one that you always have on you, or something like that. I'm a big iPhone user, but it doesn't matter. You can be an Android user, you can be an iPhone user, you can be a Samsung. The company that I want to talk to you about today makes an amazing product. So let's roll that intro and let's talk about what they have. And here it is. Moment lenses for your phone. So as I said, I am a iPhone user. So I have my iPhone 8 Plus, I have my iPhone 10 or iPhone X, and then I have two lenses here. I have their Tele Lens and I have their fisheye. So let's go ahead and get these opened up. I want to show you the cases that go along, because it's kind of it's a complete system. You can't have one without the other. So you need your case, and they have these awesome lenses that attach to the case. So let's get it unboxed and let me kind of show you what's going on in here. So let's start with their telephoto lens. It's a Tele Lens. It has an amazing build. Look at that glass. Wow. That is sweet. Their logo comes with a cover, little bag, and some instructions. So now we have their Superfish, 170 degrees. That's a sweet looking element on there too. Also, awesome build. This kind of anodized black aluminum. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So here's the case for the iPhone X or iPhone 10. It's pretty cool. Nice build quality. Kind of like a thick rubber. You can see it has the insets for the lenses. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. Let's go and open up the one for the other iPhone. Very similar packaging. Pretty cool photo inside. Instructions. Exact same build quality. The material feels exactly the same. There's the insets for the lenses and the flash. Feels a little thicker. I like this back material. They have another case that has kind of a wood grain on it. I opted for like the all black. So let's go ahead and put them on the phones and kind of see how they look. Okay, let's push that out of the way. Now I do love my phone to be naked sometimes, but yeah, that looks good. I like that. And my other phone. So I'm gonna go take photos with it. I like that too. So let's go outside. I'm gonna leave this back home. I'm just gonna shoot on the iPhone 10 for right now. They have essentially the same cameras, but you can get an idea of how the phone would look. The buttons all feel good. Case for the iPhone 8 Plus or 7 Plus definitely makes the phone feel a lot thicker. The iPhone 10 though doesn't. It actually has a really nice feel to it. I took that with my drone, Jack London Square. Yeah. So let's go outside and let's take some photos with it. So there they are. That's Moment lenses. I think they're pretty awesome. I think I'll buy a few more. I bought these. These were not given. I wasn't paid. This was not an endorsement. I just wanted to show what I think, a nice little extra tool for lenses can do. So I will link everything below. So, go check them out and, post your photos. And I think they do like a hashtag Moment Lens. I'll put that down below as well. But anyways, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace.
It's like a dance, the way that you shake your head in full denial of the truth. Didn't get a chance to say it loud. Your secrets kept you pushing down, disavow.